Hey, tada, friends! Welcome to yet another exciting episode of the SimplyLebo podcast. My name is, of course, you've guessed, SimplyLebo, and I'm your host. It's been way too long, friends, and we're excited to be back with great, exciting, life changing, as well as engaging conversations and content. Today, we're addressing a vital subject that I've simply titled Mental Health in the Workplace. Did you know that conservative research based estimates show that as many as one quarter of South African employees will be diagnosed with depression during the course of their employment? However, only between 15 to 25% of this number will actually seek and receive help. As the boundaries between work and personal life blur, focusing on mental well being at work is more critical than ever. So, let's explore this crucial aspect of our lives. Let's start by highlighting why mental health in the workplace is a topic of increasing significance. Our work environments significantly influence our mental well being. A healthy workplace isn't just about physical safety, it's about nurturing a culture that promotes mental health and mental well-being or well-being in totality, fostering a positive atmosphere and increasing productivity. Studies consistently show that employees who feel supported in their mental health are more engaged and more likely to stay with their employers and tend to perform much better in their roles. On the flip side, though, a lack of focus on mental health can lead to stress, anxiety, depression, and burnout. This is not or this not only affects individuals but also impacts a company's bottom line through increased absenteeism and decreased productivity. Recognizing mental health issues in the workplace is crucial for both employees and employers. Let's discuss some of the common signs that might indicate a colleague is struggling with their mental health. Some of them are the following: changes in behavior, increased irritability, withdrawal from social interactions, decreased productivity, and noticeable changes in appearance or hygiene can be signs that someone might be facing mental health challenges. Communication plays a vital role here. Encouraging an open dialogue and creating a safe space for employees to express their feelings can go a long way in identifying these signs early and offering appropriate support. Additionally, training managers and colleagues to recognize these signs and respond empathetically is essential. Often, a caring and understanding approach can make a significant difference in someone else's life. So, how can employers and employees collectively contribute to creating a supportive work environment for mental health? Well, education and awareness are key. Employers should educate their staff about mental health, reduce stigma, and encourage discussions around mental well being. Training programs can certainly help employees manage stress, build resilience, and understand how to balance their work and personal lives effectively. It's also vital to establish clear policies and procedures that support mental health, such as flexible work hours and, where possible, paid mental health days, and easy access to mental health resources. Many companies are now implementing what in America might be called employee assistance programs. In South Africa, we typically call them employee wellness programs. Now, how can these benefit employees, one might ask? Well, employees or employee assistance programs or employee wellness programs provide confidential counseling and support for employees dealing with personal issues, including mental health challenges. They can be a lifeline for someone going through a difficult time. Wellness initiatives such as gyms on site, body breaks, flexible work hours, or access to a mental health counselor on site can help employees manage stress and improve their overall mental well being. Employers should actively promote these programs and encourage employees to utilize them without fear of judgment. Normalizing conversations around mental health is crucial for reducing the stigma. How can we encourage these discussions at work, one might ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. Leadership plays a significant role here. When leaders openly discuss mental health and share their own experiences, it sets the tone that encourages others to do the same. Employee resource groups focused on mental health, peer support networks, or regular team check ins can also facilitate these conversations. The more we talk about mental health openly, the more we break down the barriers that prevent individuals from seeking help. Lastly, let's discuss the importance of individual responsibility for mental health. Self care is essential. Encouraging employees to prioritize self care, set boundaries between work and personal life, and practice mindfulness can significantly improve their mental health. Employers can also provide resources and workshops on stress management, resilience, and emotional intelligence to help employees develop essential coping skills or mechanisms. Remember, a mentally healthy workplace starts with individuals taking responsibility for their own well being, as well as organizations fostering an environment that supports and nurtures mental health. Well, folks, thank you for joining us on this episode of the SimplyLebo podcast. Remember, a mentally healthy workplace is a happier and more productive workplace. A mentally healthy organization is a wealthy organization. Let's continue these conversations and work together to create working environments that prioritize mental well being. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions of this nature in the episodes to come. Take care and prioritize your mental health. This is your host, SimplyLebo, signing out. A tada!